Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today I want to walk you through how we make our stones. Pretty much the process we go through for making our custom stones for the Edge Pro, Wicked Edge, Half Stone, TS Prof, KMB Sharpener, etc. So bring it on in here. So I laid out some of our tools that we're going to use. We start with our stones, and I'm just going to show you the process there. Some of the tools that we do use here, and some of the methods that we employ here to get you, perfect every time stones. So with that first, safety first. So we usually start with a full-size stone, and then we cut it up into smaller sections. So I'll spare you the part of that, and we'll just go straight to getting a strip here, and then we'll get it to the right size. So bring it on in here. So we need 6 inches, right? That's what she said. But basically, we're going to take our square here, got inches here, into our 6, put a little notch up there, square it off. Okay, then very carefully take a hacksaw, and little by little, just get it started. Now it might help if this were wet first. Either way, doesn't really matter. But give yourself a good 20, 30, maybe 40 minutes depending on there. And a couple of saw blade changes, okay? So it actually gets through pretty quick, right? So, look over there real quick. Okay, so we finished this cut very quickly here. And in order to square it off, we're gonna use our bastard file here. So, I want to get that nice and square. All right, got it. And you want a good straight edge, okay? There. Okay, that's close enough here for the video. So if it doesn't look good, we could always clean it up with a hammer a little bit. Oh crap. Well, luckily we made 2 of these, so we'll do it again real quick. Hang on. So if the hammer doesn't really work, again, go back to the saw. Again, you're better off that way. Make sure it's straight. Again, at Jende Industries, we cut no corners, no pun intended there. Okay, so again, we'll speed up the process a little bit here. And again, a perfect cut. So get our file. All right, good enough. Now, if you don't have a big old bastard file like this, then of course the diamond files will do you good too. They're just not as wide, a little slower. Okay. All right, so the key is proper shoe wear as well as you're doing this, because you want to make sure that you have comfortable stance as you're bending over and doing these stones. Now we do a lot of these at once, so you want to make sure. There we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go flatten the stone now. So I just want to show you some of our equipment that we use for flattening stone. So bring it on over here. Okay, this is our Ginzu 2000 lapping machine. Little flow, little spinning to our turntables. All right. So this is definitely better wet. This stone here. So the trick is, always be careful when you're doing this. Sometimes you're flipping it over. The machine likes to grab it sometimes, so you gotta be careful here. All right. Now, we usually go for flat, but what we want to do is get it nice and tapered here. Some of our competition, it's hard to keep up with them, so we just, hold on a second. Wait, still. There we go. Alright. Still good. 5-second rule. Alright, you see, pretty good, pretty fast machine here. Okay. We get it done quick here. Okay, chamfer the edges. Okay, make sure it's straight. Alright. There we are, we're good as good. Okay, so you can see we've got a beautiful straight line here. Everything's squared up. Okay. Now our coup d'etat here is, I want to make sure that everything's flat and even. Right? As you can see, we have a nice flat, even on all sides here. And the coup d'etat we will finish as you saw before. Now we take the angle that's a little less wonky. So this one, a little wonkier. So we're going to mark the side that's a little less wonky, okay? And we're going to, okay, 1K. Okay, there it is. Ready to go out, straight to use. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Obviously this was a farce. Some of you know what it means. But yeah, this is not the way we do stuff. Obviously we have better equipment and better ways to do it. So just playing around, having some fun. If you like this video, like and subscribe somewhere over here. And look forward to making more spoofs.